Want to lose weight but don't have hours for it? Incorporating physical activities into your daily routine doesn't have to be a daunting task. By focusing on efficient and enjoyable exercises, you can kickstart your weight loss journey without sacrificing precious time or struggling to find motivation. Welcome to Healthy Fit Guide. Today, we will explore the best physical activities for beginners who want to shed pounds and improve their overall well-being. Walking. The gateway to fitness. Walking is a simple yet highly effective activity for beginners looking to lose weight. It requires minimal equipment and can be easily integrated into your daily routine. Start by taking short walks after meals or during breaks at work. As your stamina increases, gradually increase your walking pace and duration. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. Walking not only burns calories but also enhances cardiovascular health and mental well-being. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. For those with limited time, HIIT offers a potent solution. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest. This approach maximizes calorie burn and boosts metabolism, making it an ideal choice for weight loss. A typical HIIT session can be completed in just 15 to 20 minutes. Exercises like jumping jacks, burpees, and squats can be incorporated into your routine. HIIT also offers a variety of workouts, preventing boredom and keeping you engaged. Dance workouts. If traditional workouts bore you, consider dance as a fun alternative. Dance workouts such as Zumba or hip-hop dance classes provide an enjoyable way to shed pounds while improving flexibility and coordination. These classes are often offered in short time slots and can be a great social activity. Dancing not only burns calories but also releases endorphins, boosting your mood and motivation. Cycling. Cycling, whether outdoors or on a stationary bike, is an excellent way to burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Cycling allows you to explore your surroundings, making it an enjoyable and time-efficient activity. Aim for at least 30 minutes of cycling several times a week. You can adjust the intensity based on your fitness level and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Remember, the journey to weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint, and with dedication and the right activities, you can achieve lasting results. It's important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. As you progress, you may find that your motivation increases, and you may even discover a newfound passion for physical activity. In addition to the mentioned activities, there are several other ways to incorporate movement into your daily life, even when time is limited. Active commuting. Whenever possible, opt for walking or cycling instead of driving or taking public transportation. This not only helps you burn calories. Stairs instead of elevators. Choose the stairs over elevators or escalators whenever you can. Climbing stairs is a great way to engage your leg muscles and get your heart rate up. Lunchtime walks. Use your lunch break as an opportunity to go for a brisk walk. Invite colleagues to join you, or use this time for some solitude and mental relaxation. Home chores. Activities like vacuuming, sweeping, and cleaning windows can be surprisingly effective in burning calories. Turn up the music and make household chores a mini workout. Stretch breaks. Incorporate regular stretch breaks into your day. Stretching helps improve flexibility, reduces muscle tension, and can provide a quick energy boost. Playful activities. Engage in activities like playing frisbee, shooting hoops, or playing tag with your kids. Not only will you burn calories, but you'll also create cherished memories. Ultimately, the key to successful weight loss is finding activities that you enjoy and can sustain over the long term. The activities mentioned in this guide are just a starting point. Experiment with different options and find what resonates with you. Remember that every step counts, and even small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health and well-being. For more expert tips and inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Start your journey to a healthier you today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.